So I was contemplating whether I should make this video or not, because there's already about 40 DIY videos on YouTube about how to fix a runny toilet. But you know the difference between our channel and their channel? We're friends. We're totally friends. And would a friend tell another friend, could you please not talk to me about things I could find on YouTube already? There'd be nothing to talk about. So let's handle this runny toilet. I mean, if you don't pay the water bill, what does it matter? But for those of us who pay the water bill and it comes out of our pocket, let's go ahead and handle this task, this not so glamorous task. I'm never going to use that, Jake. Okay, first things first, we're going to turn off the water source. So you go from vertical to flat. When you're flat like that, that means no water is getting through. You dig? And then you do one last flush. Piece of junk. Look at that GoPro shot. See this thing here? We're going to unscrew this. Now, one thing I'm noticing, this is not a very cinematic environment, and as friends, I'd like to improve upon that. All right. So, this is all you're going to need to fix your toilet. I happen to choose the such and such from Home Depot. I'm not reading you this, just look at the close-up shot. I think one of the reasons people are not going to be wanting to fix their toilet, because tell me, at what point in your life do you want to kneel down next to a toilet and stick your head and hands way deep behind that thing and smell pee? Let's see. Let me see now. I'm going to go probably Wednesday of next week, or it's going to probably be Friday. Friday's kind of crazy, actually. I'm going to have to be, if I'm going to be honest with you, I'm going to have to go for the weekend, like 5 years from now. That'll be good. So this is your tank. Other YouTube channels don't do this, by the way. Let's remove the face of the tank and behold the simplicity that we're dealing with. All right, so you notice two holes, do you? Yes. The smaller hole, you're going to put this thingamajig in, this replacement unit. It replaces the other one you just took out. You'll notice it's a wee bit on the wobbly side. There is a solution for this. Underneath it, you have a plastic nut that's going to go real tight onto this black plastic screwy thing. And don't forget to put the gasket on the top side. It's going to be nice and snug and no water will get by the gasket. And this is a flapper. The flapper connects to the two little divots at the base of the pipe that's next to this thing. And then you're going to adjust this. When you push your handle down, it lifts a piece of metal up in the toilet. You attach this to that piece of metal. And when it flushes, if you've attached it this way, you've done it incorrectly. The flap hasn't opened. If you attach it this way, you've done it incorrectly. It's a little bit too high, so that's not working. Good job. You do it just right so that when you flush, this goes up, then it comes back down. It's the easiest thing ever, and you know what's crazy? You're pretty much done. Easy peasy von Deasy with rice and bacon. Oh, and there is one other thing. There is a little thingy here. I don't know what some things are called, but you know what I'm talking about. You push this hose next to the thingus-majingus, and it connects to this pipe so that the water goes shooting right into this pipe, right? And my friend, you are done. Turn the water back on. Let's see what happens. So this is one of those projects that's going to leave you wondering, did I miss something? Because it was so easy to do. Most of the time was spent prepping for it and getting psyched about fixing a toilet. than the actual time it took to fix the toilet. And so now I find myself with some free time at the end of a video. So I think I'm gonna light a firework. I could light a firework in a toilet. You know, I've been researching awesome YouTube channels and they say your thumbnail has to be amazing. Imagine firework sparks shooting out of a toilet.